Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add info to your PDF files, or a little description to your PDF files, or you can call it a little description for your PDF files that you have uploaded on Zotero. Right, so once you send your account, just simply click on the web library here at the top. There you have the options there, and you will realize that you are now under your My Library on Zotero here. Here you can upload your files here. If you click the little plus on the upper left hand side, you can just click the upload files and you can upload files there. Once you upload the files, guys, all you have to do now is look towards the right hand side. You have info, tags, and related. You can just click the info section, and here you can just type whatever you want. So that can be whatever. I'm gonna just type ABC here as an example or testing, and you can just type whatever you want. Once you type, you don't really have to click save or anything. The description or the details or the info of this file is there. You see that you have option here to basically do a lot with it. You can change the header text. You can just write info. You can just write as much as you want really about this document here that you have. So that's something that you want. If it's a summary, you can write that. Whatever it is you want to, you can do that. You can also go ahead and add like tables and all those good stuff if you want to do that as well. Now, you can click away, you can go wherever you want, come back, and guess what? If you click on the document, the info that you write is still present on the file there. So that's how you can quickly add info or description or summary to your files that you've uploaded on Zotero. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.